Hi there, students. To educe, to educe. To educe means to bring out something latent that is within something, to develop the potential of something. So, university is to educe the latent talents of young people. It's to bring out, to develop their talent so that they can use it. So to educe, to bring out what is inside, to make something latent real, to make something latent real. So, for example, to bring something out, to educe order out of chaos, to educe a response from a shy child. So a shy child, there is lots of potential there, but you need to educe, you need to bring out what is inside. To draw out, to develop a potential or a potential state. Yeah, something that could be, but you need to educe it, you need to draw it out. And then we also use to educe, meaning to infer or to work out from the given facts. So a scientist might be able to look at the world around him or her and then educe principles from that experience. So to educe, to infer something from data. We did lots and lots of surveys, and we worked out lots of statistics in order to educe more information. So I was given a set of data, and it's my job to educe more information from it, to extract, to take out of it. To educe, to draw out information, to draw out solutions. So I was given the data, and then I had to educe a solution to the problem. I asked everybody about it, and then educed a solution for the idea. So to infer, to educe. So we've got two meanings: either to bring out the latent potential of something, to bring forth something from its basic state, to generate, to bring about, to bring forth. So yes, if you're given a seed, maybe it's your job to educe a full plant, to bring about the full plant, or to educe more seeds by planting it, and then to educe, to infer a theory from existing data. So philosophy is looking at the world around us and educing philosophical principles, thinking about things, and educing rules or ideas that govern this world that we live in. Yeah, so the idea is to make sense of, to infer something from the world around us. Experience helps us to educe the knowledge that we already have. We already know things, but learning about the world and having more experience means that we can do things better. Yeah, to bring out some potential idea, to draw out, to extract, to take further, to inspire, to raise, to call forth. to bring forth potential, to elicit, to bring out something that is latent within it, to help it develop. And this is the idea of educe. Okay, this is a very formal word. I'm going to give this a 7.5 in formality, using a semi-formal writing or a formal conversation or a formal writing. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin educere, from educo, to lead out of, ex, out of, and duco, to lead. So you leading the potential out. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Educe.